everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are well and fine at your homes. And I hope also you are getting and following us. I mean, every teacher, those who are guiding you regarding your education, regarding your health, regarding of activities. I hope you all are following them. So beta, today again my topic is regarding health. Due to COVID-19, all are locked down in their houses. So in this condition, I would say you have to take proper distance from each other. Take proper mask and all. Uh, don't shake hand. Those people you don't know about them, so please avoid them also. So today my topic is regarding health and some content I would suggest you. Now some things I will tell you whatsoever you are using while writing, while walking, while sleeping, while eating. I mean your eating, walking, sleeping, and your writing habits. You see, even we can say your reading habits. But I have seen many cases, and I think I interrupted you so many times during my lecture also. Whenever you are writing on your copy or notebook, so I would say how you are writing. I will say, you see, this way you are writing. You are writing your distance, your eyes and copy should be at least 1 feet. Your backbone should straight, eyes should far away from your copy and all, so that you will get not any kind of deformity, I mean spinal cord deformities. And second, you will not get any eyes problem if you are doing so. If it's far away, it's very good. And especially your walking habits. While walking, you see, swing your arms. I have seen many cases they are walking this way. This is not a way. You can get also deformities. While walking, swing your arms properly so that your chest automatically come up. You will not get any kind of deformities. So while sleeping also, some are sleeping this way. It's not good. Always sleep this way. I would say, listen, this way, so that don't press your lungs. It will take you a breathing problem. Keep this. And while walking, I told you, swing your arm. While writing and reading, take proper distance, eyes and writing things. Eyes, whatsoever you are reading over there, read this way. So these are habits, and especially eating habits. But I told you, I think before 10 or 15 days before, in my lecture also, uh, in my video also, take less calories nowadays. I know nowadays you don't have grounds, you don't have other activities, I mean outdoor activities to perform any kind of activity. I mean you are not burning more calories nowadays. So take certainly less calories, so that because your burning schedule is very less nowadays. Those who are farmers family, they are doing work in, just like me, I am doing work in as a farmer nowadays. So I have to take more calories because I am burning more and more. Those who are having less activities, please less your calories. Take less calories. I am not saying take very less calories. Take less, whatever you require nowadays. So these are my healthy tips for healthy life. Hope so you will follow me. And for every teacher, not me only, they are also taking much load for you people. Our every teacher is working for you. Physics teacher is working, chemistry teacher is working, Hindi teacher is working, bio teacher is working. Our principal is working also for you people. He is taking eyes always on every staff members. He is taking meeting always for you people. So please follow us. We are doing efforts for you all. Even we are also just locked down, just like you people. We are also inside houses, but still we are working for you. Please follow us. I hope so you will follow us. Be healthy and do yoga at home. Whatsoever nowadays you can do activities at home easily. Even I'm giving also demonstration for you every time. Follow this, follow TV also. So stay healthy, take good food, less calories, burn more if you can. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.